Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Liam. How are you today?
Hi, Zoe. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I was thinking about social media and how we use it every day. I'd love to talk with you about it. Do you use social media much?
Yes, I do. I use several social media platforms every day. I use Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter mostly. What about you, Zoe?
I use Instagram and Facebook, and sometimes I check LinkedIn. I like to stay connected with my friends and see what is happening in the world.
That is true. Social media helps me keep in touch with friends and family who live far away. I often share pictures and short messages about my day.
Yes, sharing photos and updates is fun. I post my travel photos on Instagram, and I like to comment on my friends' posts. It makes me feel closer to them.
I agree. However, sometimes I worry about privacy. Do you ever think about the security of your personal information on social media?
Yes, I do. I always check my privacy settings. I make sure that only my friends can see my posts. I also use strong passwords for my accounts.
That is very important. I also update my password regularly, and I do not share my personal details with strangers online.
Exactly. It is good to be careful. I read that many people sometimes share too much information and then they have problems later.
I have heard that too. I try to avoid posting my location or personal details like my phone number.
I do the same. I also think that social media is a great tool for learning. Sometimes I follow news pages and educational accounts.
That is true. I follow several pages about technology and science. They post interesting articles and videos. It is a good way to learn new things while I relax.
I also follow pages about art and travel. They give me ideas for my next trip or project. Social media can be very inspiring.
Yes, I find it very motivating. It is amazing how many opportunities there are to learn and share experiences online.
Do you use any social media for professional reasons, Liam?
I do. I use LinkedIn to connect with colleagues and look for job opportunities. It is a good way to keep my professional network active.
I think that is a smart idea. I sometimes check LinkedIn too to see what people in my field are doing and to learn about new trends.
Social media is very useful for many purposes. It helps us with personal connections, professional growth, and even for entertainment.
Yes, I enjoy the entertainment part as well. I watch short videos on Instagram and TikTok sometimes. They are very funny and creative.
I like TikTok too. The short videos are a great way to relax after a busy day, but I try not to spend too much time on them.
I know what you mean. It is easy to lose track of time on social media. I set a time limit on my phone so I don't use it too much.
That is a good habit. I try to balance my time online with my work and hobbies. For example, I read books and go for walks without checking my phone every few minutes.
I do the same. It is important to disconnect sometimes to enjoy real life. Social media is great, but it is good to have a balance.
Absolutely. Have you ever taken a break from social media?
Yes, I have. Last summer, I decided to go on a digital detox for 1 week. I did not use Facebook or Instagram and spent more time reading and being with my family.
That sounds like a refreshing change. How did you feel after the break?
I felt more relaxed and less stressed. I also had more time to think and be creative. It was a very positive experience.
I might try that too. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed by the constant updates and notifications.
It can be a lot. I think it is good to set some limits and use social media only when it makes you happy and informed.
Yes, and to use the platforms that are most helpful. For me, Facebook and LinkedIn are great for news and professional contacts, while Instagram and TikTok are better for creativity and fun.
I agree. I also think that social media helps us see different cultures. I follow many accounts from different countries, and it is interesting to see how people live and celebrate life.
That is true. It broadens our perspective and teaches us about diversity. I sometimes learn a few words in other languages from the posts I see.
Me too. I love seeing photos and videos of cultural events from around the world. It makes me want to travel and experience them in person.
Social media definitely inspires travel. I even follow some travel bloggers who give tips on visiting new places.
Yes, and they often share recommendations for local restaurants, historical sites, and unique experiences.
Do you ever share your own experiences on social media, Zoe?
I do. I often post pictures from my trips, my favorite meals, and sometimes even share my thoughts on books or movies. It is a fun way to connect with friends and family.
I like that idea. I post updates about my work and my hobbies as well. It helps me stay connected and get feedback from others.
And sometimes I have interesting conversations with people who comment on my posts. They share their opinions and sometimes even offer helpful advice.
Yes, those conversations can be very insightful. I once got a recommendation for a book from someone I met on Twitter, and it turned out to be one of my favorites.
That is wonderful, Liam. It shows that social media is not just about scrolling through pictures, but also about sharing knowledge and making meaningful connections.
I completely agree. I believe that if we use social media wisely, it can enrich our lives in many ways.
Do you think social media has changed the way we communicate?
Yes, it has. We can now talk to friends and family around the world instantly. It is a fast way to share news and updates.
That is true. I also think it has made communication more visual. With photos and videos, we can express our feelings better than just words.
Exactly. And the comments and likes show that people appreciate what we share, which makes us feel connected and supported.
But there are also challenges. Sometimes I worry about privacy and the amount of personal information we share online.
I share your concern. I always check my privacy settings and try to limit who can see my posts. I also avoid posting very personal details.
That is a wise approach. It is important to protect our personal data and think before we post.
Yes, I believe that using social media responsibly is key. I like to keep my posts positive and helpful.
I do the same. I think if we use these platforms for learning, sharing culture, and connecting with friends, they become very useful tools.
Absolutely. Social media can be a powerful resource when used with care.
Thank you for this conversation, Liam. It feels good to talk about how we use social media and to share our experiences.
Thank you, Zoe. I enjoyed our chat. It makes me more aware of how I use social media and the benefits and challenges it brings.
Let's keep in touch and share interesting posts or articles we find. I always love discovering new ideas online.
That sounds great, Zoe. I'll send you any interesting links or recommendations I see.
Wonderful! I look forward to learning more from you and sharing my favorite posts too.
Have a great day, Zoe, and happy posting.
You too, Liam. Take care and enjoy your day online and offline. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Zoe.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.